Today we talk about how can you add your answers on your Tantan app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on me down here. When you click here on me, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on your photo here. When you just click on it here, so then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, so you just go above this sign here, you click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you go down here, so then you come here to my answers. Click here on add new, and here add your questions here. Select questions added here in this list. So when you're done, just click here on done, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.